Good morning, Wirecraft. Chris Rose doing crawl space inspection. When you do an inspection, you want to look at the structure to determine whether or not it is properly supported. As you looking in this photo, what you're looking at here is a floor joist. That's a joist that carries the weight of the subfloor. This is a girder. The piece I'm touching is a ledger. That's the girder. A girder should have a bearing support, which is down there at the outside of the foundation wall. And it extends along and comes across here, and then you find out that there is no bearing support. It has to have a live load intersection, and because it doesn't have a live load intersection, you can see the top of the floor, it is separated, it's sagging, it's not connected. It's a fairly simple repair. All we have to do is add a column here, jack the house back up, and everything should go back to normal. But this column should have been put here from construction. This is original defect from construction. The city inspectors missed this, and who knows how many home inspectors missed this. These kind of details are important to you in the process of home inspection, in the process of buying a home, maintaining a home, and caring for a home. This kind of damage is very easy to fix, very simple to resolve, and these details are important to you in the process of home inspection. If we can help you with this service, Chris Rose, Inspection Plus.